Hello and welcome to my channel. This method of preparing cold pressed coconut oil is very easy. Open the coconut. Remove the flesh from the shell. Scrape off the thin brown skin from the coconut flesh. I have taken 2 coconuts. It will yield 50 grams to 80 grams of oil, depending on the size of coconuts. Slice the coconut flesh to small pieces. Put coconut flesh into your blender. Since we are using cold process method, heating is not required. Add cold water into the blender and blend. Add 2 cups of cold water and blend. After blending, take a transparent bowl and a strainer. Place a cheesecloth on strainer to strain the milk. Pour your blended coconut into the cloth and squeeze out the coconut milk into the bowl. In the process of making coconut virgin oil, you will be also learning to make vegan milk, vegan cream and desiccated coconut. You can use this desiccated coconut after drying for sweet recipes. Keep the bowl with the coconut milk in the refrigerator in freezer for 1 hour till the upper layer of milk hardens. Do not leave in the freezer for too long as to avoid the water below from freezing. Remove the milk ball from freezer after an hour. You can clearly see the two layer is formed. The top layer formed is thick milk which is cream. The bottom layer is of water that is settled down the bowl. Now remove the upper cream layer by just pressing it, and in this way the upper thick cream layer is separated from water. Put the cream into the bowl and leave it in warm place for 5 to 7 hours. While doing this, you are separating it into 3 layers. Wow! Look at the creaminess of coconut cream. Cover it with foil or cling film and leave it in warm place for 5 to 7 hours. After 5 to 7 hours, you will see the cream is separated into 3 layers. You can see the 3 layers: bottom layer of water, middle layer of coconut virgin oil, top layer of curd on oil. We will extract middle layer. I will be using syringe with long tube to extract water from down layer. Use syringe slowly without disturbing the layers. We have successfully removed the water from the down layer into another bowl, thus leaving only oil and little bit of curd floating on top of oil. Cover and leave it for another half an hour. You will notice it is completely melted and only oil is remaining, with little of curd swimming on top of oil. Spoon out the curd from top. You can see the oil. Spoon out the curd from top of oil. Then use a strainer with very small holes and separate the coconut oil from the remaining curd that you could not spoon out. There you have your cold pressed coconut oil. Your coconut virgin oil is ready to use. Thank you for visiting my channel and watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel to learn more natural products.